Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to upgrade YouTube Music Premium step-by-step guide. So now I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your YouTube Music Premium step-by-step guide. So all we need to do is open up our YouTube Music right here on our phone. Then click on upgrade right here. As you can see right now, I'm doing this video because it's free. So I have a 1 month free trial, and I can cancel it. So yeah, there you go. I'm gonna click on that. Try 1 month, and then try 1 month right here, as you can see right now. Or we can try this 1 month right here, the family. So we can add up to 5 families right there. We'll try 1 month. There you go. As you can see right now, we just need to subscribe to it. There we're gonna click on subscribe right here. Subscribe, verify. There we have a 1 month free trial. Subscribe. There you go. As you can see right now, there's a problem, server error. That's good. We're just gonna refresh it right here. So as you can see right here, here are the features we can get. Listen to ads, your favorite song, no ads, and download offline to listen on the go, to play, switch from audio to video when listening to songs right there. And we got a lot of perks we can get from here. You can say move to your own rhythm, customize your listening experience. So yeah, so we're just I think we've got it right here. Try 1 month. The developer hasn't acknowledged your purchase. You won't be able to charge change your plan until the developer acknowledges your initial purchase. So it's just a bit lagging, so we just need to give it some time. So maybe later it will be on the upgraded YouTube Music right there. So yeah, there you go guys, that's how you do it. I think we are so we're not yet at Music Premium right here. Try this one right there. Okay, let's just try the individual one. Or wait, we try the family again. It's just bugging, so okay, we're gonna try the individual one. Family's bugging. Now we're gonna click on subscribe, verify, pay. Item request is not available for purchase. Alright, okay, so we have got it, but it's just bugging. So there you go guys, as you can see right now, I just restarted the app, and now we have our premium account right here. So I just restarted it, so it's now on premium account. Now we're gonna go here and premium account. As you can see right now, when we click manage, we are a premium account, family membership right there. So there you go guys, cancel it. I'll be showing you how to cancel it. And if you want to cancel it, I'll show you. All you do is go to Google Play Store, or you can just click on right here, then click on cancel membership right here. Then there you go, next, then go to play. There you go, as you can see, membership. Then click on cancel, then reason for canceling and technical issues, then cancel subscription. Subscription will be cancelled. So there you go. There you go. Your subscription will end on March 3. So as you can see right now, you have a 1 month free on your YouTube Music. There you go guys. So there, hope you guys like the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, search the topic in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.